So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So guys, welcome to your another important lecture in which I will be discussing with you the most important topics that were seen in PIB which are relevant for your upcoming examination of RBI, SEBI and NABARD. Okay, so now guys, if I talk about this thing, the most important thing here is the topics that I will be discussing will be Partners in Blue Pacific, that is the recent summit that has taken place on Partners in Blue Pacific. Along with that, I will be discussing with you the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. That is again a very prominent topic that is expected that could be asked in your examination of NABARD. Along with that, I will also be discussing about Swachhta Surakshit Challenge, which has taken place, which has been culminated on 17th of September. But still in PIB, the discussion has been taken up on that specific initiative, which is a beach cleaning initiative. That we will also be discussing with you. But before proceeding with this lecture, guys, let's just discuss about these important things that we have prepared for you. Yes, guys, these guidebooks, which will play a very important role, and all the questions that we generally have in mind when we are preparing for the examination. What is the exam pattern? What is the cutoff? What will be in how many phases the examination will be taking place? What are the best possible sources that I should follow when I am preparing for this examination? And last but not the least is which strategy should I follow? Along with that, some students generally have the tendency that what is the examination or what is this organization all about? What will be my role? What is the role hierarchy? What will be my salary? So guys, all the things that you keep on searching on the different platforms, all the informations are being given here in a very comprehensive manner in these guidebooks that is absolutely free. And it is not only for RBI, you can download these guidebooks for RBI, for NABARD and as well as for SEBI also. And one thing very important, these are absolutely free. You do not have to spend even a penny of a swing. It's absolutely free. You just have to do one thing. You have to download these guidebooks from the link that is given in the description below. Okay guys, so keep this guidebook with you. It will be really helpful. Now guys, coming to the topics of the day. So the topic that I will be discussing with you. First question is that recently the first meeting of the Partners in Blue Pacific has taken place in the New York, United States. You have to tell me which statement is correct about is this specific PVP forum. The first thing is it is led by USA. India is one of its 5 members. It is an informal mechanism to boost economic and diplomatic ties in the region, that is in the Pacific region. So let's see what should be the answer here. The answer here is, guys, that is option number D, A and C. Why? Because India is not its permanent member. Okay? India has attended this first meeting, but as an observer country, not as a permanent member. Talking about the countries who are permanent member, they are USA, Australia, New Zealand, Japan and United Kingdom. They are the 5 permanent members. Okay, important for us is first meeting has taken place in New York. India is an observer country, and then the important is it is an informal mechanism, not a formal chain, that will be helping in promoting economic and diplomatic ties in the Pacific region. Coming to second question is, guys, this is a very important topic. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Why it is being seen in news? It is the reason here is that recently NABARD has sanctioned around rupees 222 crore to the state of Punjab for strengthening its school infrastructure. You have to tell me which statement is correct about Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Look at the statement here. First is it was created under NABARD in 1995-1996. So we know it is an organization under NABARD. It is being managed by NABARD. Okay? But whether it was launched in 95-96, NABARD has allocated rupees 40,000 crore rupees. So this is the kind of question you have seen in phase 1 examination also. 40,000 crore rupees has been allocated for 2020-21. It provides loan under 4 categories. Whether loan is provided under 4 categories, 3 or 5, that you have to understand. The eligible loans, the projects eligible are for the loans of 80% to 95% of the project cost. So my sincere advice to those students who are preparing for NABARD examination will be pause here, guys. Solve this question because this is a very important question. This is a topic that you must know. आप इस टॉपिक को बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ सकते. तो pause here and tell me honestly in the comment box how many of you have got this answer right. The answer here is, guys, that is option number C, 1 and 4. Now many of you might have thought that second statement will automatically be right. ये तो बिल्कुल सही होगी. यहाँ पे the crux here is why it is wrong, because 40,000 crore rupees is provided for 2021-22, not for 2021. So that is a mistake that I might be feeling that majority of you might have made. loan is provided not for 4 categories, it is provided basically for 3 categories. The loan is provided. Rest first and fourth statements given here are correct. Okay, so I have given you the information. NABARD has provided 222 crore rupees under this RIDF fund. So when I talk about this fund, it was launched in 95-96. Initial corpus was 2000 crore rupees. 40,000 crore rupees was allocated by NABARD for 2021-22, not for 2021. That is the important thing that we should understand. Now, when I talk about this initiative, the loans under this, it says 39 eligible activities are there for which loans are provided, but are provided for 3 categories, not 4, 3 categories that are agriculture and related sector, social sector and rural connectivity. So now when I talk about why this loan is provided, it is a loan that is provided under social sector category of RIDF, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Now, when I talk about how much loan will be provided, so the project cost of 80 to 95% you could take up as a form of loan under the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Now, when I talk about mode of finance, how financing is being done under this initiative. So, guys, you can see the amounts are sanctioned on reimbursement basis except for the initial mobilization, that is 30% to the northeastern and hilly states and 20% for other states. तो reimbursement mode में आपका finance मिलता है, but exception क्या है? Initial mobilization advice जो कि 30% है northeast, 20% is for other states. And when I talk about repayment period, so repayment period is equal annual installments within 7 years. So within 7 years you have to pay the loan in equal installment. Grace period here is, you can say moratorium could be, it's not moratorium, grace period can be extended up to 2 years. Then guys, next talking about the next specific question, that is Swachhta Sagar Surakshit Challenge. Okay, Swachh Sagar Surakshit Sagar campaign that was launched way back in the month of August. It was culminated on 17th of September. Now let's discuss what is this initiative. We might have discussed a lot of time, but let's discuss this thing once more time. I think ये आंसर सबको आता होगा, ठीक है जी. Under this, a mobile campaign by the name of Eco Mitran was launched to spread awareness about this Swachh Sagar Surakshit Sagar campaign. It was launched by Ministry of Earth Science. It consists of 3 goals, that is consumer responsibility, segregate waste at home, and dispose responsibility. So which statement given here are correct? The answer here is, guys, option number C. All the statements given here are correct about this initiative. Talking about this Swachhta Sagar Surakshit Sagar campaign, guys, it was launched in the month of August. The purpose was to clean 75 beaches in 75 days with 75 volunteers. Initiative was an initiative of Ministry of Earth Science. So don't get confused with Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It is an initiative of Ministry of Earth Science. Then, why important? First of its kind initiative है जो कि longest running coastal cleanup program है. It is the first of its kind initiative for a longest coastal cleanup program, which was culminated on 17th of September because it is being celebrated as International Coastal Cleanup Day. That's why it got culminated on 17th of September. Now, aim if I talk about, guys, 7500 kilometer long जो हमारी coast line है, उसको हमें we want to clean up that 7500 kilometer coast line. Okay. Now, target is to remove 1500 tons of marine litter from the sea coast. It has 3 goals that I have discussed with you: consume responsibility, segregate waste at home, and then is dispose responsibility. And for spreading awareness about this initiative, an Eco Mitram app was basically being launched. Now, very important thing is when I talk about when I talk about participation here, the important thing is voluntary registration. It is not compulsory to register under this Eco Mitran app. It is voluntarily in nature. When you want to, you can voluntarily participate in this specific initiative. So guys, this was all about your today's PIB news. Okay, or important PIB articles. I hope you have liked the lecture. If you have liked the lecture, guys, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then, to get the access of the PDF, kindly subscribe to the Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Still, guys, if you have any kind of doubt, you could drop me an email at hello@arutab.co.in. You could even comment me about the topics that you want me to discuss in the upcoming videos. I will be really happy on that also, and I will try to bring the video on that specific topic in my upcoming videos. To have a call with us, you can contact us at this number, that is 81462-07241. Wishing you all the best, guys. Keep learning, keep working hard, keep preparing, and you will succeed. Bye-bye.